my friends, again for your science lesson today, similar to the past few days, what you're going to do says we will review what a shadow is, and I will draw a picture of my shadow. But instead of doing it in the middle of the day, this time you are going to draw a picture of your shadow or take a picture of your shadow towards the end of the day. And so you can do this around about, let's say, 6 or 7 p.m. if possible. Like I said, if you can't do it today, just get it done before Friday at 3 if you can. And this will allow us to see the differences of our shadow from the morning, middle of the day, and towards the end of the day. We have to do it at different times or else we won't see a difference. And then here's your review slide. What is a shadow? Watch the video if you forgot what a shadow is. It can remind you. Shadows are made using a light source. So in order to have a shadow, you have to have a lamp, a sun, or a flashlight, something that puts off light. And in order to have a shadow, you also have to have something that can be blocking the light. So in this picture, the sun is shining, he's standing, the light can't go through him, he blocks the light, so it creates a shadow behind him. For your assignment today, you're going to do the same thing like you have been doing. Take a picture or draw a picture of your shadow, of what it looks like when you're outside, what your shadow looks like. But you're going to do it towards the end of the day around 6 or 7 p.m. You'll click here to upload a picture of your work, and be sure to type your first and last name so we know who did the wonderful work.